Welcome, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and we're doing a bloom, and it was beautiful, but I want a little bit larger, and I think I needed more pillow paint, so we're going again. So we're going to start off with our nickel azo gold. I think I'll make the paint puddles a little bit bigger. And then around that, we have our phthalo turquoise. Okay. Now we have quinacridone magenta. Let's put some of that on. And we have permanent violet dark. Next, we have Pyro Orange. These are all golden colors. And next, I'm using Gold Bright. I think I'm just going to do it in the middle. And the cell activator I'll be using is Oxide Black using Australian Floetrol. Get in the center there. Okay. My hands black all over me. Okay, I'm using the flower blow dryer on low. All right, well, I definitely off center, but before I move it, I'm going to have to let it settle so it can all move at as one. But I do see this, and that has definitely got to come up. And I don't really like how this is so pointy. I don't know if I can do anything really about that. Well, I can actually. I can put some paint over it. I'm really liking the cells here. Let's see if it's going to move as one yet. I think so. I think so. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay, so far I'm happy with it. Well, we already got basically our bloom shapes, our flower petal shapes. getting messy. See, don't mess with it too much. That's what happens. Let's see. I'm gonna put a little bit purple right here. Drag it through. Still not happy with this. Let me see if I can. Work with that a little, that's better. Okay, let me see if I'm center. No. Okay, are we ready? This is a little sloppy here. Get some fresh white paint. That might end up coming off anyway, but you gotta fiddle around with things. Fiddle, 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 fiddle. Oh well, I think that's coming off. Ooh, got another bubble. Now you can always, after it dries, you can go in and use watercolor markers or some other markers and match the color and make those little dots and things that you don't like go right away. Okay, we're gonna spin this out. And I'm gonna move my camera. Let's spin this out. I caught it. Catch those dots before the paint gets too thin. See if my sides are all covered. Yes, they are. Ah, it's very vibrant, dark, bright and moody. Bright, but I don't know, a little moody. I love it. Let me see how much is in the middle. Okay, I'm good with that. All right. What do you think? Well, I hope you have enjoyed this. You will see me do lots of blooms, and I will get to other techniques too. I love the swipe, but you want to kind of get good at one of your techniques before moving on to too many others and just being so-so at too many others. Love the colors of this. I'll give it one more spin. All right. Woo! Beautiful. Oh, sorry, I keep saying that, but that's what I think. All right, I will get you down for a close-up, and I will see you in the next video. And I appreciate that you are watching my videos and you're learning from me, and I love to hear your comments. It's also very encouraging. We all need encouragement. And God bless you. I wish you well.